Have you ever been in this situation? Situations like this can be prevented. Don't let this happen to you. The world is full of idiot drivers. While this was not the semi driver's fault, this situation may have played out differently had the semi had blind spot monitoring system in place. Good evening. As technology continues to improve, so does tractor trailer safety. As many of you might know, there are many huge blind spots coming from inside the cab of a big rig, leaving the driver of the tractor trailer and the vehicles around him in a very dangerous situation. To combat this problem, manufacturers have begun to embed sensors in the marker lights on the trailers of these big rigs. These sensors send back data to the driver warning of potential hazards around the vehicle's trailers through a display inside the cab of the truck. This was a challenge for engineers as the trailer's J560 plug, by law, cannot be modified. This is to ensure standardization so that all tractors and trailers are compatible with one another. The solution that the designers came up with is to use the running light circuit as a communication port between the head unit interface and the trailer using filters and microcontrollers to allow the power to pass through and also send data back and forth. This is our rendition of one of these sensors in use. The problem our team was tasked with is when multiple trailers are connected to the system, there is a overlapping data and no way to distinguish one trailer from the next. We had to come up with a solution for the trailer to know its place in the system. To do this, we sent out a character to trailer 1, which then the program in the microcontroller recognized its location and passes along the next character so trailer 2 can be recognized, and so on. When a new trailer is connected to the system, it sends a signal to the head unit to request its location and allows it to know its position in the system, which allows for a seamless transition when pairing up with new trailers. Next, we designed the program to send and receive data using special characters that correspond with the trailer that's being communicated with, thus solving the problem of overlapping data and allowing the sensors to communicate with the head unit flawlessly. This was our approach to communicating with multiple trailers in the system to make the road a much safer place to travel on for you and me.